Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waukee, local and long distance movers near me. Let top tier movers, 3 Movers, be in charge of your next move within the city. They handle local relocations within a 100-mile radius of the city, and they have the expertise to conduct seamless relocation, ensuring the safety of your belongings. They have a vast knowledge of this city and thus provide professional suggestions about the neighborhood you're interested in moving to and can coordinate moves in less than 24 hours. They provide professional packing services for their clients regardless of sophistication, fragility, and weight of the item. Their local moving services are tailored to suit you best. Their credible network of partners across the United States ensures the relocation of your properties is unimpeded as it is being conveyed. They can help with the documentation process necessary for your move and save you the extra cost that you will likely pay for custom service by providing a one-fit-all cost-effective price quote for your move. They have the best storage units to ensure the safety of your property, especially since your properties will arrive at your destination before you do. Their storage unit efficiently holds your belongings until you come to claim them. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waukee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.